How do I remove payment method on my iPhone, iPad, or iPod? Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login, and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. To remove a payment method from all the Apple devices, follow these steps. All you have to do is open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen, and once inside the Settings app, simply tap on your name or Apple ID at the top. It is at the top of your screen, and you'll be navigated to the Apple ID settings. So, once you tap on it, all you have to do is scroll down and select payment and shipping option available there. Once you tap on the payment and shipping, you may be asked to sign in with the Apple ID password or use your Face ID or Touch ID. Simply follow the on screen process and navigate to the payment and shipping. So here, as you can see, I do not have any payment method linked, but if you do, then you will get to see all the list of payment method available here. All you have to do is tap the red minus button next to the payment method and tap on the delete, and it will delete your payment method as your preferences. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.